Tribe Leads installed and you want to use Tribe Leads forms to capture testimonials, here's how to do that. You go to your Tribe Leads dashboard and you edit a form from there. So maybe you have a lead group or you want to show a light box with a testimonial capture form added to it. So for that, you just need to access the lead group that you have and then add a new form as usual. Give it a name. And then we edit this form and we pick a template. And the idea is that you basically just need to replace the opt-in form here with a capture form. So for that, you need to delete the existing lead generation element, in this case, from this form, and then go to the Tribe integration section of your right sidebar list of elements and simply drag and drop the capture testimonials element to your template. Now we choose a design. And now we have a capture form inside our opt-in form. And then when you access the form settings, you can make all the usual form changes and further bring adjustments to your capture testimonials element.